I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve this look without any added extensions. So the first thing we're going to do is take down her chunky twist. So our hair has been washed, detangled, creamed, oiled, like a whole routine has been done, so we can go straight into making this hair. So what I'm going to do in this video is to show you how to map out your ponytail to get a perfect ponytail hairstyle, and also I'm not going to show you how to cornrow or actually how to make hair. In this video is just how to map out your ponytail to get the perfect look. So the first thing I always advise people to do is to actually make a big circle in the middle of your hair. Like whichever area you want your hair to sit is where you're going to put your circle. So she wants an updo, like an up ponytail look, so we're going higher for this circle part. So why I always make a circle in the middle of the hair is because it helps for your ponytail to sit right, so that your hair, like your braids, won't be hanging out, and also it helps to reduce the tension to your scalp, because when you're making this hairstyle, people can your hairdresser can get rough-handed, and actually a lot of tension can be in the middle part of a ponytail. Like if you've done ponytail growing up or when we're younger, you understand what I'm saying. Like the middle part of your hair can get boils, it can get bumps, it can get really tight and uncomfortable, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I found out that making a circle in the middle of your hair helps your ponytail or your braids to sit right, like your braids to lie down flat, and also it helps for your hair to just for you to not be uncomfortable and be in pain. So what you've seen now is that I've mapped out the hair. I mapped out the sides of my hair. So what I did was to take from my ear upwards to the circle, and the other side of my hair I did the same exact thing. So what I'm doing now is looking at it to see if it looks right and if there's enough space for the back. But I also made some corrections because it wasn't enough space. So now you can clearly see that I added a lot more hair to the back of this hairstyle, because you have to make sure that there's enough space for your braids to sit. Like there's a lot of calculations you can do, but the hack I have is that you look at towards the ear and take it upwards. That's what I can say. So you can see that I'm done with the front of the hair and it looks absolutely amazing. This is an up view to show you why I actually made this circle, because it's so helpful and it makes your braids to all look flat, and it's for it to look all equal and not have braids hanging out. That looks so unprofessional and tacky, if I might say. So now I'm going to start with the back of this hair. You can clearly see that I have enough room for the back to lie down. So I'm going to show you how I do one braid. I just decided to show you guys one braid so it doesn't look like I didn't make this hair. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys one braid that I'm going to do on camera so that you can see how I just make one, then I'll come back. So now we're finally almost done. So I'm just showing you guys why I actually do this circle thing. You can see how helpful it is. It helps to reduce the tension. You can see there's no tension on the scalp, and the hair looks absolutely amazing and it's mapped out right. Mapping out your hair, you might make mistakes at the first go or like the first time you're doing it, but honestly it's not hard, especially if you know how to braid hair. So now what we're doing now currently is to actually do do chunky twist in the middle of the hair. I don't like leaving that hair out, so I like to make like 4 parts. You don't have to do mini twist in the middle, it doesn't matter, because nobody's going to see the middle of the hair. Honestly, I just do 4 chunky twists to even avoid extra tension to the middle of her scalp. So 4 chunky twists and you're good. And you can see clearly that what I would say is that when you're getting towards the end of the hair, make sure that you reduce the tension, or like the way you're holding the hair, so that the middle of the hair isn't tight, because you can also still end up pulling in the middle of the hair. So just make sure that you're not too rough hand, or like you're not holding the hair too tight. I don't like making my hair tight because I know like everybody it takes a long time for your hair to get to this stage, and you don't want to be the one that will destroy someone's hair, even though I'm making my sister's hair currently. So I just try to not be rough hand, and to do her hair basically how I want my hair to be done. So we're finally getting towards the end of this hairstyle. You know how I mentioned that there's no added hair to this, it's all her hair. Her hair is so full and thick. So this is the final, not final look, but we're done with the braid part of this hair. So right now what I'm going to do is to put all that hair into one big braid. So why I'm doing this is because we're going to be using a detachable ponytail. I absolutely love detachable ponytails, because honestly after a whole day you can just take off that extra weight from your hair. And like a good plus is that you're not actually using extensions to your hair. And me, I don't really like extensions like that. So this hairstyle is like, it's not my, I always do this hairstyle before, but now that I'm off cornrows, I'll try to make like a flat twist, flat twist and turn towards this hairstyle. Let me know if you want to see this particular hairstyle but in flat twist, because I'm currently not doing cornrows on my hair. So, and I absolutely love this hairstyle, but cornrows, I'm off cornrows because my hair isn't as thick and full as my sister's hair. I have more of a finer hair, so I don't really do cornrows on my hair again. So we're going to tuck all that hair in, and now we're going to go in with a detachable ponytail. So this is how it looks like. It's just like braids crochet to a net. So I'm going to show you guys the hook. You have a hook where you like put it on your hair for it to stay like on your hair, and you get a rope that you tie that around. So when you're putting this on, you first go in with that hook and make sure it's secure to the hair, then you go around with the rope just to tighten the ponytail to your hair. So when you're done with this, you can style this in any way you want. You can either put it down, let it be down, or you can actually do it in a bun. But I absolutely love buns, so I definitely put the hair in a bun. When I'm done with that, then I'll show you guys the final look. So this is the final look for this hair. I'm absolutely obsessed. I love this hairstyle. I wish someone in my house can make this hair for me, but sadly I'm the only one. So let me know if you want to see more hairstyle videos. I can do a lot more because I have my mom and my sister. Love you guys. Till my next video. Bye.